Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new user account without Microsoft account on HP laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on the start, move to the settings. Here enter accounts, pardon me for that. Now we need to scroll down and find other users. Select add account. And here we can log into the Microsoft, but we want to create the account without it. So I'm gonna have to click on I don't have this person information and add user without Microsoft account. Now you'll be able to customize their name and you can enter password. If you want this account without any password, then leave these lines empty, click on next and the account should be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.